So in the previous class, we have completed one project, and today we will try to check some other varieties of project. Uh, yes, previous class we have created one game. Today we are going to create one story, and we are going to see how easily we can create a small story also using the Scratch. So I have chosen this part, create a story. So you can see again here we are having few steps that we need to complete, and let's start here. So we are going to create a story. In the first step, it is asking to add a backdrop. Okay, which backdrop is required, which house. Okay, we have to find out from the backdrop. We are knowing how to add the backdrop. Add it. This is the which house that we are going to add here. So this is the list of backdrop. We are going to choose this which house, and we had opted the which house. First step has been completed. Next, in the next step, it is asking to add a sprite. The first stripe is wizard. So we are knowing that this is the place from where we can add the sprite. We have to find out where is wizard. It is alphabetical, so we can easily find it. It must be written with the word W. This is the wizard that we are going to have it. I'm just going to click it. I have added the second step. That is, I have added a character, and that is wizard. Let's move ahead. Next, it is asking to code for the wizard. So I'm going to write a code for the wizard. In the code, it is written here. First, we need to click on when flag click. We all are now familiar with these varieties of code. So in the event, first I'm going to choose this when flag click. Next one, say welcome to Magic School for 2 seconds. So now I have to say, you can see here it is written say hello for 2 seconds. I'm just going to put it on the script area, click, drag and drop, and removing this hello with the message, welcome to Magic School. It was asked by the illustrator, so I have just included this message here. Now I have completed this step also. It was asked that I have to add this say welcome to Magic School for 2 seconds that I have written. Let's play this content by pressing this flag button and check whether it is working or not. Okay, it is working. I have to reposition this wizard at the same location where your illustrator is demanding. Almost there. Next step. Add another character. Okay, I'm going to add one more character, and the character is elf. So I'm going to click on the to the sprite option and ELF A B C D E L F. Elf is the second character that we are going to add. Just click it. Elf has been added. Let's see what the illustrator is demanding for the next step. I have to flip the direction of elf. So how to flip it? First, we need to click on the costume and then flip horizontal. Okay, I'm going to click on costume and flip it horizontally. Good. It has been done. Now both of the characters are facing each other. Next step, we have to create a conversation between the wizard and the elf. So I have to add one small code to create the conversation. So I'm coming to the code area. Event is required when flag is clicked. Then I have to find out, wait for 2 seconds. It is written wait 1 second. I am going to choose it and I'm going to put it to here. And it is asking that say I am going on a quest for 2 seconds. Okay. I am going to choose the option of say. Click and drag it to the appropriate place. Remove this hello. Click and press the backspace button and I'm going to write I am going on quest. Done. So this step has been completed right now. Next step, it is asking to add another backdrop. Okay, which backdrop is required? I have to find mountain. I have to check the mountain. So before going to this backdrop, uh, I would like to first play this content. Whatever I have written, I have to check. It is written. Wow. You can see the conversation. First, the wizard is telling welcome to magic house, and then I am going to quest has been the message has been given by elf. Now we have to add one more backdrop that is of mountain. So I'm going to add one more backdrop, which is mountain. So I have added mountain also. Next, switch backdrop. So how to switch the backdrop for which? We have switched the character by clicking on costume, but for switching the backdrop, we need to code. So I'm going to code to switch the backdrop. It is asking to first select the when click event and then switch backdrop to White House. So I am going to find out where is switch backdrop. You can see it is written here, switch backdrop to White House. Click, drag and drop. That is why Scratch is so much interesting and so much easy also. We don't need to bother for the code. The codes are already available for you. You just need to find out the perfect one for you and you had to just drag and drop here. Now it is asking for wait 4 seconds. We are knowing that there is one option of wait 1 second. I will choose it. I am going to remove 1 and make it 4. So it will wait for 4 seconds. And then again, I have to choose the same thing, that is switch backdrop to mountain. Switch backdrop to mountain. So we are having switched backdrop again. Click and drag it, drag and drop it. This is switch backdrop to White House. I am sorry, which house? I am going to click it here and choose mountain. Now, why this code has been written? We need to understand also. We have seen that for 2 seconds, we have given the code to this wizard. For next 2 seconds, we have given the code to elf. That means for the first 4 seconds, they will communicate. And their communication was made inside the witch house. After that, we need this mountain backdrop. So that is why this code is written here, that when the flag is clicked, first the White House will be available. it will wait for next 4 seconds, so that within this 4 seconds their conversation will be completed. And after the conversation, it will switch the backdrop to mountain. Let's play it and check. Welcome to Magic School. I am going on a quest, and now the mountain is available. So this is how the story can be created by you all. I know that many of you are a very good narrator. You can create a very interesting story by yourself. If you are not interested in making a game, you can create your story also. Next step, I need to hide a character. So for hiding the character, again, we have to code it that when the backdrop switch to mountain, hide. Which one? Wizard. Why we are hiding wizard? Because elf is going on a quest, not the wizard. So after that, the moment mountain backdrop will come. Right now, I'm going to play it. You can see here, wizard and elf. Both of them are available in both the backdrop. Now I am going to click on the next code. Sorry, this is not required right now. We need to find out when backdrop switches. When backdrop switches. So I got it. When backdrop switches. Here it is written backdrop 1, but we have to select mountain. When backdrop switches, we have to select the hide option. But I think we are going to face one problem, but let us complete the code, then I will go through the problem that can be arised. Okay. So I have just written this hide here. And when I am going to play, let's see what happens. Okay, welcome to Magic School by Wizard. I'm going on a quest. Backdrop changed. And in place of Wizard, Elf is out of the focus. That means we have coded, but we have coded for the wrong sprite. So it was required to code the perfect line and for the perfect sprite also. So what I missed here, I didn't see that here, at this location, the character was wizard. You can see here the character on my script area is exactly elf, but we need the character wizard. That has to be high. So I'm going to just delete this code. I can cut and copy it also, but because I'm a beginner, I don't know anything, so I'm just going to delete it. And now I'm going to choose the wizard from this sprite area. In this wizard option, I have to code this when backdrop switches to mountain. So again, I am coming back to that control. When backdrop switches to, I'm just going to click it, drag and drop it. And in place of backdrop 1, I have to choose mountain. And then I have to find out where is hide. So this is the hide option. Click, drag and drop here. And now one more time I'm going to play it. So welcome to Magic School by Wizard. Elf is what happened now? What happened now? And why? Okay. What happened now? You are going to get it. Just let me complete the next step. Then I will elaborate why this part is coming to us, because we have given the hidden option to this character, and we have not announced that when this hidden character will be arise and when we have to stop. That is why when I'm going to play this, I'm not getting the character, and since I'm not getting the first character, that is why second character is also not available to us. Only the backdrop we are getting that has been switched. So let's go to the next step first. Now next code we need to do it for this wizard. We are at the place of wizard that when the flag will be clicked, we have to show it also, because right, we have written the code for hide it. We have to show. And again, the same code that we have written here, I can right click and duplicate it also and choose it to this place. And then finally, one more time, I'm going to play the code. Welcome to Magic School. But elf is not coming here. Elf is not coming here. Whether we have missed something? No, I don't think so. We have not missed the code. So that is why I have chosen this option for you. I have given first code that was the perfect one. This is also a perfect one. But due to some part, due to some problem, this code is not working. And now it's your turn to find out the error in the code. There is no error. There is just one logical problem that is arising on the code. One more time, I am going to show you what we did. We are at the end. I'm going to remove this tutorial. So what we have done, first, the backdrop was chosen. Then we have added this character, and the character is your wizard. The sprite, we have coded for the sprite. Then we have coded for twist also. We have coded for twist also. And the problem that arises there, because yes, if anyone of you would like to do it, give me the answer, you can give me through WhatsApp also. Okay, you are not getting, no problem. I'm going to assist you. One time I have given one wrong code to this elf. And what was the wrong code? I have written the code that was required for wizard. And that code was written to elf. The moment once I have provided a code to hide the elf, automatically this character will be hidden out of my entire stage area. So I have to add one code so that this elf will be available. This elf will be available to me also. What will happen if I am going to click show button here? Whether it will work? Let me check. So now my second character is available, and you can see here that now it is working. Now it is working. According to the entire story area, what was the story? That first this wizard will come in front of you, and then wizard will say, welcome to Magic School for 2 seconds. After that, we have added this elf, and this elf is basically coming in front of the wizard and telling that I am going on a quest. And after that, the backdrop will change from witch house to mountain. And finally, on that backdrop, we don't need this wizard. So this wizard will become out of the scope from the backdrop of this mountain. One more time, I am going to run it. I hope that now you got the error and you have understood why the codes were running uh, out of the content, and after the few correction we have seen that now code is running perfectly. So here you can extend the story, you can add more costume, you can put some more stories, some more content. How to add the content, you are knowing that just you have to use this event block, and then you have to utilize the say button so that the particular sprite will say a story to the next character. So I hope that you like the small story created by us. And now it's your turn. Now you are going to create your own story. You can check, so many stories are written there. Nitya, if you want to ask anything, either you can message me or switch on your video so that I can find out you, then I can. Yeah, tell me, beta.
Sir, how can we add audios in that?
In the next class, I will guide you. Actually, we are at a beginning level. It is very easy, so much easy. So next
Sir,
class,
I've
yes,
tried we can put when a green flag clicked, play this sound for dash
very good,
seconds. Like
very good, very good,
uh,
very good.
then, sir, I don't know how to give the pause and then like if I click that particular thing, then only that speaks. I'm getting confused in that.
I am happy that you are interested for the content. So good. I will suggest you. Let me share the things one more time. I will suggest you to please go to the tutorial. This is the tutorial, and click on this project. Make music. This will
Okay,
guide
sir.
you how to include sound and what are the varieties of sound you can use. Even you can add your microphone also, so that you are going to learn. This is a very small story, a small project. You can do it for yourself, and it will help you to get the sound for your project. It shows that you all are interested in Scratch, and I hope that when you are coming back, everyone will show me great and greater project by their own creation, isn't it? So try Nitya at
Okay,
your
sir.
home, and in the next class, just inform me what you have, what are you supposed to create one, and what you have done at your home. Okay. Till then, take care of yourself, beta. Have a nice day. Bye bye.